So welcome to another epic adventure at Weaver Stonehouse Farm. And this time in the garage. We've got sawmill cleared out of the garage, so now we have room time to fix my daughter's bike, my number 3 daughter. So we've got new cables. I hate buying new bikes. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this one. So this new cable, we took the old one out, cut it off, and we ran it through the channel where the old one was. And this is the sleeve to hold it. We're gonna put this right here on that length. And then I gotta determine the length up here, because that's good right back here for a bend. And then up here, I need to figure out what's gonna work here. So that turns there and I'm still okay there. If I hold that there and I spin it around, I'm still okay. So I'm good there. I'm gonna cut that right there. All right, I probably should try and unpinch that a little bit. All right, now I need one of the cables. Are they all the same length?
No, they're different lengths.
Obviously, I want a longer one for this.
I think that's a longer.
Okay, on this bike cable kit, the confusing part, here, come here, look. You want the barbell end, the dumbbell end, okay? This end is the dummy end that you cut off. Okay, you don't need it. Okay, go the barbell end, can you see it?
Yep.
That goes in the bike handle. Okay, I got a little drill bit. I'm just gonna try and work it in by hand. Got that started. I'm gonna go to the back end of it. Now I got it started in. Wobble that out. Obviously, make sure you don't bust the drill bit. This is a punch. It's actually my brother's punch he made in college. And then, so a scratch awl would be good.
Or they do make special pliers.
They do make special stuff, but this is the tools that I have and they're working, so use what we got. Okay. Should go in now. Insert. Into the sleeve. Ah, I gotta work that in now. Hey! Punch. There it is. It's out. Okay, so see that? Okay, pull that. So then this all.
Oh. Cut it.
Now do they give you new pieces here for this or not?
Yeah.
So what are those? What do they do? Let me get off to you a second, please. What do these do? I like that better. How many of those do you got? Molds.
4.
It must be an assortment of ends, I guess, for the different cables, because these are just for a brake cable set for a bike, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a brake cable set for a bike. Let me see, feel this end in here. Okay, that feels pretty standard. All right, perfect. Okay, so I got those ends on right there. Now, the part that I messed up. This. Now, where's that rubber bushing? Kind of curious where I should put that, if I should. There wasn't any rubber bushing in to begin with. But maybe in here?
Sure.
It looks like you can
That'd give you a little give.
break them off too. Okay, so we're gonna put that through. Alright. And that'll give us a little bit of a give on that. Perfect. Okay. And we just take the little barbell end, put it in there, and pull that tight. this, we're going to thread back through here, and I put the metal cap on this. I like that, just a little bit of give. Doesn't like it rubber, but that's okay.
You want this on the crimp end?
Close. Is this the part I have to remember how to do? So I'm going to say, hold those two together. Oh, I got to put it up through the hole. That's right. Thread that up through. Okay, see that maybe closer? See that? Thread that up through. Okay, and this is the part I don't remember. Hold those two together. You got yours together?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get it snug. Just a little bit of a snug. Okay, are they touching right now?
No.
So we actually want to take a little bit tighter.
Okay, so hold.
This way. So what you're doing here, that's the part I didn't know and understand. So that you need to hold together. So if you're doing this yourself, a piece of bale and twine actually would work quite well to hold that together. Put it around there. And then we'll just tie them up. And we'll just pull a slip knot on that. Okay, let's pull this tight. That's tight. Pull on this. Let's just snug this up. Okay. Perfect. Then we'll just cut that off and cap it. Leave a little bit of room to play. All right?
Yep.
Back there. These are special food there. Made these in coal mine. Pliers. Okay. Can I do it again?
Nope.
Good breaks, kid.
Cool.
Okay, that's a brake cable installation. Amazon kit. Pretty straightforward. Dad stuff that y'all should know how to do, or mom stuff, or even kid stuff if you're learning how to do this. It's not that hard. Take a chance. See you next time in the garage. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you.